Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FET seems to be on the move, and it is possible that FET is now moving in the yellow structure higher, okay, and the price reversed in the orange support region in this trend reversal area, and we could say, yeah, that the yellow count is unfolding. Obviously the momentum is there. But we haven't broken above resistance yet. So pay attention to the $2.51 resistance level. Mentioned that one in the last video already. So that needs to be broken. But yeah, it's possible that we're now moving. And to keep this assumption alive, however, the yellow count needs to hold above the wave 2 low. So above $1.86, $1.87. A break below that level would mean that we are in wave 5 to the downside, and one more low cannot be ruled out, as I said. But with a break above the Monday high, I think the yellow count has become more probable, and we just need to see a break above 251 and then a target for the third wave in yellow. First ideal target is the $3.07 level, $3.08. Then we can get a wave 4 pullback, and the wave 5 to the upside should send us, well, more minimally towards around about 335, but the larger degree target points towards 472. So I would assume it's possible that this third is extending maybe to the 1.618 extension at 335, maybe to the 1.786 extension at 356, so that the fifth wave eventually lands around 472. That's a bit speculative at the moment. Yeah, what you see here is the this box here is the smaller degree targets, and normally I'd say the first ideal target is the 1.38 extension. So we'll need to pay attention to this one. If we go higher, that would actually be very much in line with my overall assumption that the next wave up should take the price to 472. But we have to see how the subwaves develop. Anyway, that gives you a very, very clear invalidation point, which is the low of the wave 2 in yellow at around, what did I say, $1.86, right? 187. So that needs to, that's black and white, that's the invalidation point. Now we're not bearish below that level, but I would then say that it's confirmed that we get one more low, which would be here wave 5 of C of 4 in yellow, in white. And then we could test $1.58, $1.28. But good upside momentum today. So obviously we're watching in this region now for confirmation that a low has formed. Can't really give you confirmation until we see a little bit more price data, but that break above the Monday high definitely is a good signal that a low has formed. Unfortunately, not enough to really fully confirm it, but it indicates that the yellow count is unfolding. And to keep this assumption alive, as I said, the wave 2 low needs to hold, and the third wave should get to $3.07. Once we've arrived at $3.07, I can give you a support area for the fourth wave there. Fourth wave in yellow, okay? And then we can look at, as long as we're holding this one, we can look for a fifth wave to unfold to the upside. But that's looking good at the moment. And next micro resistance is around 250. That's also pretty much where, I mean, there will be a lot of resistance here if we add the VRVP to the chart, volume profile. You see the point of control is sort of in that area as well, around 263. This is where all these previous trades were carried out, that price there. So this has to be overcome. So pay attention to that level as well. And then we can look towards the $3.07 level next, which is the first ideal target for a third wave, which we ideally even go a bit above to, you know, sort of keep that assumption alive that we could get to that $4.72 level as we climb higher. Yeah, there's not much more to add. Obviously, the overall bullish assumption, as you know, is valid here for FET as long as the 50% retracement level is holding. I must admit, I have no idea when they changed the chart because of that merge. That will, of course, be a mess. I mean, if this changes to a new token or whatever, I haven't followed this. I'm guilty of that, you know. But if something changes, then we can forget about following the FET chart because price history is going to be different, whatever. So that's going to be challenging. But for now, we see upside momentum. We follow this chart as long as it's active. Looking good at the moment. $3.07 is the next milestone target. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.